Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Pilot Elite. This vehicle does come equipped with full LED headlights, daytime running lights, and fog lights. You will have memory settings for the power seats. You will also have the all-weather floor mats in all rows of the vehicle. Has rear bucket seats. Comes equipped with navigation, as well as Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You'll be able to Bluetooth your music into the car, Sirius XM. You'll also have a Blu-ray player, heated and cooled front seats, a wireless charging station for your phone, USB and power ports. You'll have multiple drive modes, which include normal, snow, mud, and sand. Steering wheel controls to answer your phone calls. The vehicle does come equipped with a heated steering wheel, as well as the rest of the Honda sensing suites for adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, road departure mitigation, forward collision braking system. You'll also have additional power ports and USB ports in other locations of the vehicle. Place to store your sunglasses, as well as a mirror to keep an eye in the back seat. This vehicle also has the panoramic roof. You'll have the one button that you can push in order to slide the seats forward to get into the third row. The rear entertainment system. Heated seats in the back for the second row. HDMI port, power port, as well as additional USB ports. The one button that you can push to exit from the back as well. Capless fuel filler. Power lift gate. The backup camera. Easy stow for the seats. Additional storage compartment. You also have the power kick tailgate. This is the 2019 Honda Pilot Elite, an all-wheel drive.